of both Western and traditional, which be used in special occasions or places like marketplace, working places, and so on. District. The dresses that they are wearing is modified traditional attire which can be used in any formal occasions. This one is a modified traditional gown and vest which is being used for wedding and any other special occasions. District. The dresses that they are wearing are an old traditional dress which is called Attire in Nyishi dialect. As you can see how beautiful the dress is, it is a modern modified dress which can be used in any occasions or places like workplace, marketplaces, and so on. District. A costume of the male is old traditional attire which can be used in any formal occasions. The dress of the male is called war dress, which is usually worn during war. As you can see, the dresses that they are wearing is one of the most used dresses in this Golden Jubilee, and it is known as modified formal casual dress for any special events.
गलती से फोन किया था गलती से
East Coming District. The name of this beautiful nostalgic costume is known as war dress as it was used mostly in war. Traditional gown and coat which is meant especially for wedding or any other special occasions. District. The costume of the female is known as Durum age and Nyama age for male. In other words, it is called as war dress. A dress of both male and female is the dress which is used most in Untitled District and it is known as Bedla. It is a modified dress which is used mostly in festivals. District. The costume of the male is war dress and as it was used mostly while farming. Modern traditional attire of Karadadi district, which is beautifully combined of both Junghung and Tapum age.